Welcome back to this emergency Doge potential pattern bull flag breakout trading alert. Not a financial advisor, educational purposes only. But I'm going to get my little company in YouTube Rising line tool. With a little arrow on it, and I'm going to perch right here. You see this? This is the opposite of what usually happens. You see the pump, right? Got that? Pumping volume, as we know, volume follows price, right? So if you look, pumping volume, pumping price, bullish, crashing volume, sideways and down consolidation. That is very bullish. That's a very bullish little pattern right here for a pattern reversal. Often a sign the sellers are being exhausted as you form sort of a rounding bottom, and the buyers, the bulls, are starting to take over the market, and the pattern is about to break up. And this would be your target out of that, because it's from the bottom of the flagpole to the top of the pennant or the flag, and then at a point of a breakout. Usually they only go about 70% of the way up, so 66 cents, or like we were talking about yesterday, check them insightful, intelligent, highly educational videos where we said we could be setting up the stage for a phenomenal, fabulous, glowing double top just to be shot down by the criminal gangster cartel and crash back down to underneath support. So if you want to potentially play this, I gave you in my last video buy areas. We'll go over this real quick as I got to move my perching tool in. Hold on, see, I fucked up. I want to make this really short, really right to the point. So we're going to move our perching tool up here on underneath support, right? We're going to change the color because I like green, but I want a fluorescent green. So we're going to make it like that. Then we're going to zoom in. See how easy this is when I'm perched? You know, because then we come to the area we're talking about. Now, let me get down. I always, like I say, I like to hover or underneath so I can pay attention to my jabronis up here. See, jabroni up there, told you not to buy, told you to sell, told you that was bearish up there, bearish pattern when we broke out up there. Here, you had a crash, and after the crash, you had a down and sideways consolidation. Now, that is a very bullish sign that this is a sign the sellers in this case are, like we said, down and sideways consolidation. The sellers are being exhausted, and the buyers are starting to take over the market to make another run up here at overhead resistance and then try to break out of the pattern overall, right? The same as bring our company favorite and YouTube sensation drawing tool. When you have a down and sideways consolidation like that, that's bullish. If this would have broke down like it did and had an up and sideways consolidation into the overhead resistance, I would say that's bearish, and we're probably going to break down and break out down out of the pattern. But this is a bullish sign that we're going to at least come and retest. And then if you want to put strategically placed buys, if you're in the 4-hour time frame, because if you're in the hour time frame, it'll let you down, because you'll think you're putting it over the 200-day and 50-day moving average, but you're really not. See what I'm saying? So you want to go over the 50-day moving average right here, and you place your first buy order in there, 49.50 cents. Second buy order here at critical resistance, and then your third, and you go all in at the farm, whatever the farm is for you up here, and then you ride the pump, the rest of it. And then your average cost would be somewhere around here, right? And you can make a potential 40% gain. This was just a quick update. Potential bullish pattern breakout. You don't play the pattern until it breaks out. If you play it and it comes up here and gets rejected, if it crashes below this downsloping support, change the color there, you see that? If it crashes below the downsloping support and the uptrending support, right, you sell it at right here. You would sell here. You would sell this shit out of there. Let me clean this up. I want to be very clear. If it breaks down, if you're just trying to play this potential bull flag breakout, you have sell orders there. You do not hold it south of that to limit your losses to a few percent, right? Or you ride the gains and sell near 66, 65, 67 cents. Quick emergency trading update for Dogecoin. Peace and love. Peace and love.